runs while others walk. He acts while other men just talk. He looks at this world and wants it all. So he strikes like thunderball. He knows the meaning of success.